Hopefully by now you are well versed on how to brown butter because we are about to double down on the deliciousness.
We're making these browned butter banana bread cupcakes with a browned butter cream cheese frosting. All of the ease and flavor from the standard ingredients you'd expect, but giving them a boost of nutty toffee flavor by simply browning the butter. To do this, melt the butter in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Stir constantly for about 7 minutes. It'll bubble and foam, and then you'll see little brown bits, and the liquid is the color of maple syrup below that foam. Then let it cool until it solidifies at room temp. Then combine the sugar and brown butter in a mixing bowl. Cream that together with a hand mixer. Add the eggs and mix them in as well. Give those very sweet, overripe bananas a thorough mashing with a fork. Then add them into the mixing bowl along with the heavy cream and pure vanilla extract. Give the hand mixer another whirl, and when it's all combined, move on to the flour. Combine that with baking soda. Give it a quick stir, and in the mixing bowl it goes. Once again, the hand mixer will bring the batter all together quickly. Then scoop the batter into the lined muffin tins. Regular size and mini muffins work well with this batter. While the cupcakes bake, combine the remaining brown butter with softened cream cheese. Cream that together with the hand mixer and then sweeten it up with powdered sugar. If you want to add a bit of warm spice, pop in a bit of ground cinnamon. The banana bread cupcakes come out just slightly puffed and lightly brown. Once cool, use a plastic bag with the corner cut off to pipe the silky browned buttercream cheese frosting onto those super tender and moist banana-y cupcakes. All of the flavors you're familiar with banana bread, enhanced by warm, nutty, toffee-like flavor that only brown butter can naturally provide.
Say it with me now. Brown butter banana bread cupcakes with brown butter cream cheese frosting. A delicious mouthful.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.